and Ricky's gonna film me on his electric bike. Let's see how I do. Ready, Ricky?
Do it, man. Do it. Do it, come on. If you die, it's not my fault. About 8 miles an hour. About 10. He survived the corner, which is good. He's living. He's living. He got up to about 20 now. Me Mark, me ride bike. He's gonna kill these 4 people. Again, not my fault. He's scared. You can tell he's scared. You're still alive, dude. You're still alive. You made it.
Good juice on it.
Now let's see if he can park without killing anybody.
Here we go. Not bad.
Right on, right on.
Thank you, bud.
We're out on the point in Boston. There's the gas tank back there.
Yeah, I wish I had something.
And here's Mark.
Hey guys, not bad. Thank you, Ricky.
Yeah.